Some people use tools to ease their work, some use them for safety, and some for quality. What if you get such a list where you'll get tools for all these purposes? Let's see our today's video on the 10 brilliant tools you haven't seen yet. At first, we have the ValueMax strap wrench set. A handy tool you'll love for all kinds of projects without scratching or damaging surfaces. It's made with reinforced rubber, so the straps are tough and built to last. The large wrench can handle items up to 6 inches in diameter with a strap length of 25 inches, a thickness of 0.2 inches, and a width of 3/4 of an inch. Plus, it offers a maximum torque of 200 newtons. The smaller wrench is perfect for items up to 4 inches in diameter, has a strap length of 18 inches, a thickness of 0.16 inches, and a width of 1/2 an inch. The handles are made from comfy, no-slip nylon and TPR material, so they're easy on your hands and reduce fatigue. Whether you're loosening oil filters, tightening hard-to-reach pipes, or opening stubborn jars, this set is versatile and easy to use. This is a must-have tool if you work around electricity, especially for electricians, linemen, and utility workers. Amprobe TEISC 300 PRO high voltage detector. This tool checks for voltage from 30 volts AC to a massive 122,000 volts AC. You get 2 modes, a low voltage mode for 30 to 1,500 volts AC, perfect for breaker panels, outlets, and wiring, and a high voltage mode for 1,500 to 122 kilovolts AC, ideal for transmission lines, power distribution, and down lines. This detector has a built-in Voltect alert that lets you know when voltage is present, with bright flashing lights and loud beeps so there's no guessing. A push-button self-test ensures it's working properly every time. Plus, it's built tough, with a drop-proof design up to 6 feet and an ergonomic handle. You can even pair it with the TIC 410A hot stick to extend your reach. You may think what this little tool can do, but when you see it in action, you'll know the real deal. The Alloyman 4-volt electric screwdriver kit is a perfect tool for your DIY projects. This compact tool has a maximum torque of 4.5 Newton meters and a speed of 200 revolutions per minute, so you'll get plenty of drilling and fastening tasks. It comes with a 2,000 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium battery, so you can keep working without constantly stopping to recharge. The built-in LED light makes sure you can see clearly, even in dim spaces. And the quick reload feature with storage for 6 drill bits keeps everything neat and accessible. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, furniture assembler, or electrician, this tool will make your job way easier. Plus, with professional customer service to back it up, you're covered from start to finish. Homax TexPro, your go-to solution for creating professional-looking texture finishes. This tool is ideal for contractors, drywall pros, or serious DIYers tackling home renovations. It's super easy to use. Start by setting your air compressor between 20 and 70 pounds per square inch for the right airflow. Before diving in, test the spray on something like a sheet of cardboard by holding the sprayer about 4 feet away. Adjust the sprayer's pressure between 5 and 20 psi by turning the regulator knob clockwise until the gauge reads 5 psi and tweak it until you get the texture you like. Once you're set, press the knob in to lock the position, and you're ready to apply a consistent and flawless texture pattern. Whether you're texturing walls or ceilings, this tool makes the job easier and delivers pro-level results every time. Sharpening your chainsaw doesn't have to feel like a chore. Meet the STIHL 2-in-1 filing guide, your ultimate time saver and chainsaw whisperer. Whether you're a professional logger, arborist, landscaper, or weekend warrior, this handy tool knocks out 2 jobs in one go. It sharpens the cutters and lowers the depth gauges in one smooth motion. With 2 round files, 1 flat file, and a clever file holder with a built-in guide, it's got everything you need to make the process fast, easy, and super accurate. Plus, every stroke gets you closer to more cutting and less sharpening, so you can spend more time tackling the real work. Keep your style chainsaw sharp and ready with this must-have tool. Next up, we have the DEWALT 4-port mobile USB PD charger. This thing is like having your own power station on the go, perfect for contractors, electricians, tech professionals, or anyone juggling multiple devices. With 60 watts of power, it can charge up to 4 USB devices at the same time, so no more waiting in line for an outlet. Whether you're powering up Android devices, iPhones, tablets, or other gadgets, the fast charging speed ensures you're back in action quickly. Compact and rugged, it's designed to handle tough job sites or your busy on-the-move lifestyle. Whether you're at the office, in the workshop, or on a road trip, this charger keeps your devices ready when you need them most. Say hello to the Riftek Inner Diameter Measuring Gauge, a laser-precise tool designed to make measuring the inside of pipes super accurate and efficient. If you're in industries like manufacturing, engineering, or quality control, this gauge is a must-have. Using a rotating laser head with 2 sensors, it scans the inner surface of pipes to measure diameter, ovality, and roundness with pinpoint accuracy. It covers a range of 100 to 250 millimeters and delivers an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 50 micrometers. Need something custom? Riftek offers options for diameters as small as 9 millimeters. It's reliable, versatile, and customizable, making your job easier whether you're inspecting industrial piping, ensuring precision in production, or verifying pipe quality in the field. The Johnny's Paperpot Transplanter is a total game changer for farmers, gardeners, and anyone serious about efficient planting. Built with full steel construction and 1/8-inch thick angle iron sleds. This commercial-grade tool glides smoothly through all kinds of soil, creating consistent furrows for your Paperpot chains. Weighing just 26 pounds, it's lightweight enough to lift and carry with one hand, and its collapsible handle makes it super easy to store when not in use. Adjustable stainless steel spring pins let you tweak the handle height and plow depth without any fuss, while the durable welded joints mean no loose screws to worry about. Made in the USA and designed for professionals, this transplanter is easy to assemble, needs minimal maintenance, and is backed by rigorous testing and a solid guarantee. If you're looking to save time and boost efficiency, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Whether you're working on a roof, scaffolding, or just on the ground, this tool gives you amazing mobility and efficiency. The Festool ISC 240. An ultimate cordless insulation saw for anyone in the construction, roofing, or insulation trade. It's super lightweight and ergonomic, making it comfortable to use for long hours. With the right blade sets, you can easily cut through flexible mineral, natural fiber insulation, as well as materials like polyurethane and polystyrene. Thanks to its high torque motor and powerful battery packs, you get speed, endurance, and the freedom to take it anywhere. Plus, with clever accessories, you can ensure a perfect, precise fit every time. If you want a tool that combines power and convenience for fast, effortless insulation work, the ISC 240 has got you covered. To end the list, we have got this Greenworks lawn mower. Powered by a 60-volt, 5-amp battery, it lets you mow up to half an acre on a single charge, and when it's time to recharge, you're back up and running in just 100 minutes. With a maximum blade tip speed of 3,300 RPM, this mower outperforms traditional gas models, giving you a cleaner cut without the fumes or the hassle. Plus, it's super quiet, thanks to the electric brushless motor, which is great for protecting your ears and keeping the noise down for neighbors. And when you're done, the convenient vertical storage saves you space. If you're a landscaper, gardener, or just a homeowner who loves a clean, easy yard, this mower lets you seamlessly switch between over 75 Greenworks tools using the same battery. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.